So here we have our budget roller banner. There are many benefits to this as well. Now, all our graphics are printed in a high resolution. As you can see, it looks beautiful here. It's also very lightweight as well. So if you've got a long way to walk, don't worry, we've got this wonderful carry case here with a useful strap which you can just fling over your shoulder. If you've got a long walk ahead of you, it won't be very heavy to carry either. Also, the hardware comes with a guarantee as well. Now, this is really fitting for anyone who maybe has a small business or a start-up and you're going to an exhibition for the first time, and maybe somewhere where there's light traffic or light footfall as well. Now, the question we often get asked is, what is the difference between our budget roller banner and our premium roller banner? So here we have the premium roller banner, which is called the Orient banner, and it's one of our best sellers. Now, the main differences are it's really quite substantial, so it's perfect where there's more footfall or there's a busy exhibition. But don't worry, it's still very light to carry as well. Now, the visual display is much bigger and it goes all the way down to the floor, so it really does create something unique for you on your stand. It comes with a guarantee as well. And don't worry, if you haven't got any artwork of your own, we can create something for you to make you stand out from the crowd.